Hey guys, it's Danny here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it is a pleasure to join you. In this video, we're going to do a question from the November 2019 Grade 12 Physical Sciences Paper 2. This question deals with intramolecular bonds. The first question asks us to define the term intramolecular bond. So intramolecular bonds hold atoms together within molecules. And it is important not to confuse this with intermolecular forces, which hold the molecules together inside a substance. Okay, so the different types of intramolecular bonds are metallic, which occur between metal atoms, ionic, which occur between a metal and a non-metal atom, and covalent, which occur between non-metal atoms. So the way you can remember the difference between intramolecular forces and intermolecular forces is that the word intra contains an A, which means that the forces are between atoms and not molecules. The next question asks us to classify the specific type of intramolecular bond that is found in the diatomic oxygen molecule. Since oxygen is a nonmetal, the bonds that it will make with other oxygen atoms are covalent. But covalent bonds can be further classified as either polar covalent bonds or pure covalent bonds. So a polar covalent bond occurs between atoms that have different electronegativities, so they attract the electrons to different extents, and then you have a polar molecule. And pure covalent bonds exist between atoms that have exactly the same electronegativity and exactly the same size. So since the diatomic oxygen molecule is only made up of oxygen, both of the atoms have the same electronegativity, resulting in a pure covalent bond. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.